Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to find hidden discount from GST in Excel. So let's start. Here you can see I have data, item list, then original price and final amount including GST. So here I'm going to find discount amount, discount percentage, taxable value before GST and GST amount. So let's see one by one. So here I'm going to find first taxable value. So I type here taxable value and select cell is equal to and select here first final amount then divided by 1.18. So here why are we divided by 1.18? Because the final amount already include 18% GST and the original amount is 100%. GST is 18%, so total become 118%, and 118% in Excel is 1.18. That's why dividing by 1.18 is remove the GST and gives us taxable value. Hope you understood. Press the enter and here you see the taxable value is calculated. Then select the cell and double click on this corner point to fill the below cell, and that's it. Next here I'm going to calculate discount amount. Select the cell is equal to select the original price then minus select the taxable value. Press the enter and that's it. Here the discount amount is calculated. Double click on this corner point to fill the below cell, and next here I'm going to calculate discount percentage. Okay, and here select the cell is equal to select the discount amount divided by original price. Okay, and press the enter and that's it. Here the 10% discount here calculated. Select the cell, double click on this corner point and you can see the below cell is filled. Now select here the entire column and go to the home tab. In numbers group here you can see the percentage sign. Just click on it and here you can see the percentage here showing. Okay, next here I'm going to calculate GST amount. So I type here GST amount. So select a cell and is equal to select the final amount minus taxable value and press the enter and here you see the GST amount is calculated. Double click on this corner point to fill the below cell and that's it. This is the way you can find the hidden discount amount from GST. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.